Travelling by plane is one of the safest modes of transport, but occasionally accidents do happen. This video is about how a massive accident almost happened, and how two planes almost flew into each other. If this accident had happened, it would have been the worst in aviation history, so let's have a closer look at this insane near miss. The day is the 31st of January 2001, and two Japanese Airlines planes are crucial in our story. One is a small jet plane from South Korea to Tokyo. The plane, JAL Flight 958, had 237 passengers and 13 crew on board. The other plane was a huge Boeing 747 with 411 passengers and 16 crew. The plane, JAL Flight 907, was going from Tokyo to Okinawa. Both these planes would end up avoiding a very close near miss. The two planes had their flight paths cross over, but they shouldn't have mattered as they were meant to pass with over 2,000 feet of altitude between them. So what went wrong? Well, Flight 907 was supposed to fly 2,000 feet above Flight 958, and to increase the distance between the planes, an operator tried to tell 958 to descend. Unfortunately, he got it wrong and told 907 to go down. Despite 907's controls saying otherwise, the captain trusted air traffic control, so followed their instructions. When air traffic control realised both planes were heading straight towards each other, he told Flight 958, the smaller, more nimble plane, to turn right. However, this message never got through to the pilot. As if things weren't bad enough, his supervisor made an even bigger mess of things. When she realised the two planes were on a direct collision course, she tried to radio Flight 907 to go higher. She accidentally radioed Flight 957, but there wasn't a 957, so the message didn't get through. Eventually the planes were in visual distance of each other, and had only seconds to react. 907 rapidly descended, and in a huge Boeing 747, this was an impressive feat. Both planes avoided a crash, but if things went differently, over 650 people would have died. Amazingly, no one died. However, due to the sudden decline of the plane, people without their seatbelts on were flung across the plane. Many people also scalded by the boiling water from the drinks trolley. In total, 9 people got serious injuries, and another 91 people received minor injuries. This action was risky at the time but saved hundreds of lives. As a result of the mess-up, the original operator was sentenced to a year in jail, and although huge life was possible in this situation, he probably had a dozen other flights to be managing on this very busy day. His supervisor received an 18-month sentence, and this whole case shows how a simple mistake can have a tragic result. This video took hours to make, and even the end clip here takes ages to record, animate and put together. Subscribing is the best way to support a small creator like me, but if you don't want to, no pressure. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another video next Saturday.